Japan, the problem of waste is handled somewhat differently. People use a new tool to recycle their kitchen wastes to reduce the amount of garbage. They process household wastes using a new method known as EM technology. EM stands for Effective Microorganisms. It is a complex culture of beneficial, naturally occurring microbes such as photosynthetic bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, and yeasts. It is a technology to purify and revive nature with the power of living organisms. EM technology has a wide range of applications. It can be used in purifying water and sewage. The technology can be applied to solving sanitary problems and improving the environment. Uses have been found as well in agriculture, animal husbandry, in fisheries, and food production. Effective microorganisms technology is used in over 116 countries. Among them, Thailand, Indonesia, Pakistan, and 9 other countries use the technology in government projects. The technology was developed by Dr. Teruo Higa, professor at the University of Ryukyu. A Japanese non-profit organization, the Mokichi Okada Foundation of America in Maryland, has just launched a project for recycling kitchen garbage using EM technology to work on waste issues in the Washington, D.C. area.
We would like to have application using EM, therefore each household can not only recycle the papers and plastic, but also why not recycling our kitchen waste. And therefore we can have the reduction of the waste get into the landfill, but also we can really enjoy and creating organic gardening and landscaping using a natural way.
Using the EM system for recycling waste products, people convert kitchen garbage into animal feed and organic fertilizer. So the garbage is reused as a resource in animal husbandry and crop production.
Initial pilot project we are now entering is to have a demonstration project and also train the graduate students of Thai Sophia Institute in Laurel, Maryland. And out of this project, we would like to see more advocate, more trainer, community trainer to do this recycling movement to be increased, and so everybody can have a grassroots network to more provide the education and know-how.
On the day of the workshop, about 20 people who are interested in recycling kitchen garbage joined.
The tool I'd like to share is kitchen recycling, and I'm still beginner at it. And it just requires one bucket. Is first put this in the bottom, a little bit. So EM is still sleeping, our friends is sleeping right now. Then for those who have any food, you can just put it there. We seasoning, we mix them together and taste it. Then what we didn't taste it, we let it stay with gratitude and returning and feeding our soil. I have a vision, 2016, we may see all the school and families enjoying this taste. Constantly, every single time when you put it, you have an airtight. Then when you fill, you just let it stay under the shade for 1 to 2 weeks. Then put into the ground, if you have a ground. If you're living in a townhouse or small place, you may have a plastic soil box. Then underneath, you put it and cover it with the soil. Then you may just have 1 to 1,000 solution, 1 EM and 1,000 water. Less use, more powerful. Very economic. Then just sprinkle over. In 2 to 3 weeks, it becomes pure soil. So there's no waste coming out from the household.
After the workshop, people asked Mr. Kato for more information about EM and shared their own ideas to promote the technology in their communities.
I think it'd be great to do a sustainable backyard concept here and then have the children come in.
Sometimes when we talk about the environment, it gets very sad or heavy. And in his speaking, it was just like, here's another idea, or here's another possibility, and here's the hope, and here's this wonderful thing. And it was real, and he had it to show it to us. And I felt like this little tiny step or this little tiny move that I could make. And I just felt a lot of relief around that, and excitement, and ease about the question about the environment that I've been having.
I was so surprised that people are looking for the specific tool they can immediately take on and create the recycling and where they are. We are already talking about to have a trainer's training session, and so that we may have many trainers can go out to the public and to share the vision and opportunity to serve the earth.
EM garbage treatment differs from other types of recycling. Through this recycling, many people have become more conscious of environmental problems and have experienced the actual natural cycle.